Hi Doreen, just thought I would record this for you so you know how to start it if I don't get a hand over to you. So you know the forks unscrew. If you want to remove the forks, just have a bucket. Hydraulics all work, and there's a carry tray on the back. Okay, I'll just go through starting this up now, bear with me. Okay, I started this earlier, just so you know. I cover that over the air intake, just stop water getting in there when I'm not using it. Trusty can of start and a relatively new battery there. We tried it out earlier and it works fine. When you're using start ether, don't use the choke, you don't need it. So simply turn on till you get the red light. When the red light's on, a little bit of volume and press the start button. That's all working fine. Hydraulics are fine. They haven't been used for 6 months. So I'm just doing a bit of a workout now. They're all good. And obviously the back works too. To stop it, basically turn it off, pull the choke just to kill it. Job's a good one. The hydraulics are a bit slow, I think it's because they haven't been used since June, but started first pop. Cheers.